This is Ernesto Miranda, and the persecutors were Arizona. Convictions, kidnapping, and rape. You may be wondering how it got to the Supreme Court. Well, Ernesto Arturo Miranda was arrested in 1963 based on evidence that he had committed a kidnapping and rape. Mr. Miranda was brought to the police headquarters in Phoenix for questioning. The officers led Mr. Miranda to think that he had been positively identified. He had been interrogated for 2 hours without them telling him about his constitutional rights. Like many defendants in a famous criminal cases, Mr. Miranda was unable to afford an attorney, so he had to deal with the police without help from somebody trained in the law. Mr. Miranda confessed to the crimes. He soon was convicted and sentenced to Arizona prison. First, the Fifth Amendment says that people cannot be forced to be a witness against themselves. Second, the Sixth Amendment gives everyone the right to assistance by an attorney whenever they are accused of a crime. Chief Justice Earl Warren announced the decision in 1966. Justice Earl Warren wrote, "Police must warn criminal suspects about the right to stay silent and the right to have a lawyer's help before interrogations begin." The Miranda warning reads, "You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided to you. Do you understand the rights I have just read to you? With these rights in mind, do you wish to speak with me?" Miranda's case was remanded in 1967 for retrial, with the confession excluded from evidence. While his Supreme Court case changed the course of U.S. criminal procedure, Miranda's own fate would not be so altered. In October 1967, Miranda was convicted and sentenced to 20 to 30 years in prison. Miranda was paroled by December 1975, but just a month later, on January 31st, 1976, he was stabbed to death in a Phoenix bar fight. Miranda warnings are more common than you think, as if you claim to not know your constitutional rights, you cannot use the evidence you gave them. It is a landmark case, as it highlights the importance of our suspects.